Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add expenses on Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding expenses here in Xero is a straightforward process that helps you manage your business's expenditures effectively. Now, once you are here, I need you to hover to your dashboard, and that's going to be Andy's Guide. And from there, you need to tap into the business section here and go to the expense claims. All right. Once you do that, you see you can start tracking your employees' expenses. Obviously, we are going to click the blue button to set up expenses in just a few clicks. Click that. You see, you have all of these options. You can turn on the receipt analysis, wherein with a photo of the receipt, you can enter the details into an expense claim for you. All you need to do is review and submit the claim. If you click this turn on receipt analysis, all right, you would be able to. Now, of course, you can choose all of this and that. You need to at least have on one account, right? Because you can also change this at any time in settings for expenses. After that, all you're gonna do is just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you do that, you would be able to add an expense in Xero without any problems. Also, you might want to click on the setup guide at the bottom, wherein type in your questions if you're having problems adding expense on Xero. Basically, it's the same thing, all right? And that's it for today's video. Just follow all these and complete the process, and you would be able to do it without any problems. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.